Welcome to STK Performance. Today we'll be chatting around camshafts. The camshaft I have in front of me is from a VW Audi 1.8T 20V, and this is the exhaust camshaft. The construction of this specific camshaft is chilled cast, which is pretty much the best material that can be used for camshaft production. We use this for mass production camshafts. Here you can see this is a semi-finished product. In other words, the journals are completely machined, the keywares are machined, everything is completed except the lobe. Now the camshaft lobe itself, because it's chilled cast, you will see the casting markings here, and the chill casting which generally runs from the base circle side of the cam, through the flank, through the nose, back to the opposite base circle.